Unofficially, it could be more than 400 or so. Yeah, and 5 of our project locations are affected. Majority in Karnataka, where we are headquartered in Bangalore. So the state where we are located, our national office, that state has the worst hit. And another state is Andhra Pradesh, where we have partners who are affected. The major loss is, of course, deaths, livestock. Then all the cultivation is gone. Whatever crops they had, standing crops, all gone. And the fear is all the houses and the crops being gone. Now many people are now living in on the shelters, temporary shelters. So children will have no schools, no place to live in, and nothing to do at this time because the crops and the agriculture field is all washed out. Education, that's the immediate need. Another thing is, of course, giving them the health care, sanitary kits, drinking water, for the mothers to be able to take care of the young babies, pregnant mothers to be able to, have a healthy delivery of babies. Those we feel are of the utmost need. In terms of long-term need, then repair, reconstruction of the school, shelter, livelihood opportunities, regeneration of agriculture, cultivation, and all that. All of these will take significant amount of investment and resources. For everything is lost for the families.